Tragedy on the west coast as floodwaters swept through the region, claiming one life as water inundated houses and closed roads. The police say the body of Gloria Redden-Hurst, who was in her 60s, was found this morning. Our reporter Logan Church joins us now via live view from Arahura Valley, just north of Hokitika. Logan.
Hi Lisa, yes, we're here in Arahura Valley after 24 hours or so of torrential rain in the west coast region, and farmers all along here are counting the cost of that event. I'm standing in front of a dairy farm and we're told all the cows that were in the paddock behind me have had to be moved due to this paddock now almost being completely submerged underwater. We can see kilometres of fencing along the side of the road, and we've driven up the road, and this continues for a long time. This damage to all of these fence posts and the wires. We can see debris and weeds wrapped around the wires of the fence, and of course that takes a lot of manual labour and hard work by the farmers who live here to fix. However, it's not all bad news. We've heard that a lot of the roads that were shut yesterday have reopened. State Highway 6 between Franz Joseph and Fox Glacier is still shut. However, State Highway 6 north of Franz Joseph to Hokitika is now open. State Highway 6 south of Fox Glacier to Haast is also open. And of course, Arthur's Pass, the main link between Christchurch and the west coast, has also reopened. However, motorists are being urged to be careful on all of these roads, given that there are still quite a lot of slips and some surface flooding in areas, and parts of these roads are now back to one lane. So motorists are just being urged to be careful.